guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing my level in Super Mario Maker World Engine, which this is it, The Legend of Link 1-1. This is the Legend of Link in Mario's universe. Help Link get back to Hyrule by the portal, which the portal's in the castle, so let's play this. And we are jumping around. Oh, wait, I did not know that could happen in World Engine. That I actually had to record this video like twice or like 3 times today because it wasn't the right format file for my editor. So well, that's just great. But this is quite funny because I did not know, and that's like the only time it happened. It did not happen any other time. Oh gosh, I'm basically, you're supposed to only be linking this. However, well, as you can see, oh my gosh, that was like funny. Oh gosh, so let me, as you can see, you go in here. And since Mario Maker World Engine only has one sub area you can use, I done that. And well, anyways, oh my gosh, so I left in the 1-up. No, RIP 1-up. 2024 to 2024. But guys, now I will go in here and, well, I never really tested if Link could break brick blocks like this. You know what, that's actually a good thumbnail for this video, just Link looking down. Also guys, this is a fan game, so like, I'm only playing it. I'll leave a link in the description for you to play it as well. It's 100% free. So let's make our way to the end. Also, you guys did not see anything. It just crashed and it put me at the start. Oh no, you did not see anything. It crashed. It crashed, guys. So basically, as you can see, I left in the star, which then you do these jumps and you're at the end. However, now I'll be playing some random levels. And by random levels, I mean I'll just be scrolling down and up. And wait, I saw one called Kaizo. Let's do Toadette Tour. Oh my gosh, it went out of the bubble. Well, that's definitely not going to break the game. Yeah, it actually doesn't. So, Buzzle Beetle, Buzzle Beetle, Buzzle Tuzzle, Ruzzle Nuzzle, Cuzzle Beetle, Beetle Smeetle, Reetle Keetle, Seenal Rab. I have no clue what I'm even saying at that point. Oh my, oh no, oh gosh, well, that's just great. I 100% did not die. I'm now Toadette. She has pigtails, so that's why I'm her now. I'm Toadette because she has pigtails. Not because the name of this is Toadette getting help, and instead she's helping herself. But she is getting help, just not from anyone. Well, she is from someone. She's getting help from herself. which I can understand. We've all been through that, Toadette. But like, ooh, mushroom, mushy, mushy. So let me, ooh, another mushy. Mushies everywhere, Z's. Like, this game, I guess, is equal to Mario Maker 2, because there's some things in this that aren't in Mario Maker 2, and there's things in Mario Maker 2 that aren't in this. Like how there's this, like, theme, this background theme, that's not in Mario Maker 2. However, there's no slopes. Ooh, well, let's go into this pipe. Ooh, a checkpoint. Checkpoint. Yay, they gave me ooh, a fire flower. Nice. Wait, how do I get that one up? Oh well, I don't have lives because I'm just doing random levels. Oh my gosh, well, that's crazy. Also, guys, I'll leave a link below in the comments if you guys want to play this game for yourself. It will be in the Discord channel. I'll do an entire tutorial on how to set it up. If basically you'll want to unzip the folder once you hit the download link. It's okay. It may say that it's unsafe, however, it's safe. It's just, if you're on Windows, it will say Windows protected your PC, but just click on run anyway, because, like, well, it just does. Oh gosh, I never, oh no. Well, let's get Toadette back. Oh gosh, Toadette, I hope you're okay in the future. Toadette, let's see. Oh, you got a life, Toadette. Congrats. Oh gosh, oh no, Toadette, you got a life. You have a life, Toadette. And oh my, yes, thankfully we got that checkpoint. We don't start from the beginning. Why am I dying to these Goombas? I'm dying to the most simple enemy in Mario history, the Goomba. Da 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 da. So guys, let me, oh yes, the Buzzy Beetle. Now it's the Buzzy Beetle. First it was the Goomba, now it's the Buzzy. The Buzzy Beet. The Buzzy Beetroot. Wait, you can eat Buzzy Beetles? I never knew that. Don't try eating one. They're poisonous. Yeah, I don't know if they're poisonous. Actually, it's impossible to tell if they're poisonous in Mario games. I never thought about that, actually. What happens if you eat a Goomba? I mean, in Mario Wonder, there is a talking flower that says that when it's the Goomba effect, the talking flower does say, I wonder what you taste like. So that's that's definitely not suspicious, because like, oh, there's golden heads. No time to explain to you guys what a yeah, this is what a golden head is. You're literally a golden head. You're just your head turns into a brick. Oh gosh. Oh, that's bad. But hold on, I've forgotten to do something. There's one thing I want you guys to see, and it's this. It may not look like anything, but now you can see it. because it's basically just showing you something else. Oh gosh, I did not have World Engine clicked, so I was like, what am I supposed to do? And that's what I was supposed to do. Oh gosh, run for it. Don't run for it. Running for it is a bad idea. Do 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 you. No clue what that was. Well, what? How did I was standing on that pipe, and piranha plants are never supposed to come out of pipes when you're standing on them. That makes no sense. But anyway, some things just don't make sense. Like Mario. Or should I say Toadette in this case. Well, there we go. I fell into a pit. Imagine this time I just ran and I beat it. That would be quite funny. Oh my, this is the farthest, that was the farthest I ever gotten with Toadette. I did get farther with Toadette, just the farthest as Tiny Toadette. Oh my gosh, sorry, what? Who said Toadette, small Toadette was bad? Toadette is not bad, especially small, petite Toadette. If you guys didn't know what petite means, it means, what do you call it? Oh yes, it means, petite means small. Like small, petite, donut means small donut. 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 Did you know donuts mean do not? Which, that makes no sense. How do you do not? What does do not even mean? Do nothing? Okay, I'll do nothing.
Do not eat.
Oh guys, hold on. Let me continue. Seeing as I have a checkpoint, I could restart if I hit start over. Hum, 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 hum. Hem, 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 hem. Hem, 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 hem. Mwahaha. Tiantoregi. Sisoraki. Go tanzarego. Kangarakeno. Rakatesiro. Kangareo. Kangaroozy. Toozy. Oh my gosh. Yes, I made it. I have made it. Wait. Oh wait, they put the effect there of the of the fireworks. I like it. And well, I liked where was it? Wait, hard claustrophobia, short of air. I don't know if that's how you actually spell claustrophobia, but oh my gosh, that's a low clear rate. But let's try it. I hope we win. Oh my gosh, there's only 100 seconds. Well then, in that case, I think this could be like a troll level at that case. Oh my, well that's good. First time I die. Why was there a dead pokey there? Why? So let me make it through. Let me see. Well, I did not know you could die from munchers by the side of them, but now I know. Also, why does a pokey keep dying? Alright. Oh, I am supposed to do this. No clue why it's called claustrophobia. Super Mundo, Mario the Rock. Well, okay. Super Mundo I'll be playing. Oh, it's this one. This one is so hard. I tried it before. Like, what are you even supposed to do there? Like, what are you supposed to do? I always try that and... Oh my, I always do this and I trap myself. How do I get out? That's the thing. How do I get out? That's how I get out. I get out by doing that. What? First level platform speedrunning. Second level platform speedrunning. Speedrun 2. What does this even mean? It has over 1,000. Oh my gosh. I think you literally just run. You just follow the arrows. I like this. I like this how if you die... Oh, come on. If I didn't jump, I would have made it. Okay, let me go. And wow, that's very little time. Oh well. We all knew it had to be done eventually. So let me try this. Okay, I died. Well then, in this case, I will jump. I will jump. I will jump. I will jump. I will... Then I will, hold on guys. Hold on a second. Sorry guys, but anyways, now I can like, just... Well, I forgot what keys to hold, so I guess let's just do this. Oh my gosh, I am almost where I was. I'm where I was, but now I'm not. Well, hold on, I'm almost back there already. After all this level's called... Wait, did that blue platform not fall? That's confusing. This is the farthest I've made it. Do not lose. Do not die. This is important. Do not die. Do not die. Do not die. Do not die. I can't believe it. I was at the end and I died. So let me... Oh well, I didn't jump high enough. This is actually quite hard now. At the start it was easy and now it's hard. What? Huh? Why did I die? I touched the top of the bonsai bill. Oh well. Sometimes in life, bonsai bills hurt you when they shouldn't. Oh well, that was like the bonsai bill. Hold on a second, guys. Now, hold on a sec. sorry guys. Now, where was I? Oh yes, about to die. Well, at least I have a lot of more goes. Wait, what? I just about landed there. Oh well. Let me jump here, jump again, jump, jump, jumpity, jump, 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 and the big jump. Jump, jumpity, jump, jump, jumpity, jump, jump, jumpity, jump. I was about to make it to the end. I was at the end. It was the wall that screwed me up. It was the wall that ended it all. Wait, that rhymes. Wall that ended it all. That was just the wall that ended it all. Okay, so let's see, and jump, jumpity, jump, 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 and jump, jump, and jump. I made it! I made it, and there was no time left. Finally, well, I made that level, so I guess I like it. And let's look for another. Little Kaizo cave shell. Let's see what Little Kaizo cave shell. Okay, that's what it is. It's just a. Wait, oh well. Let me try parkouring. Wait. Oh well. Let me instead try a different course. Switch speedrun 20 sec. Okay, let's see this one. Oh wait, no wait, I didn't. Oh wait, yes I did. I done this one before. It's quite easy. Yet some bits of it are hard. As I say, it's quite easy. It's hard. So, hold on. Let's see this. Wait, what? It didn't like... Oh well, for some reason it just didn't do the thing it was supposed to do. I got a 1-up at least, so let me... Okay, so I'm up, and... go. Well, that one was easy, so let's go to another one, like something else, like let's go to Los Volcans. Well, let's try this one, Los Volcans. Okay, that's rising. Very fast, I might add. Platform speedrun 3. Oh wait, this is this one. Oh yes, I made it. And with 1 second to spare, I made it. Oh yes, I made it. Oh yes, I made it. Sorry guys, so anyways, I like it. Exit course. Now, this one, no clue what it means, but let's try it. What in the... couldn't I interact with that water? What one? So let me wait until the platform comes here. Now, hold on. Oh my gosh. That's an idea for 1-1. 1-1, but it's icy. And I bet there's no 1-1 like that. Oh gosh, or there's no me. Like, what does this do? Oh, I thought maybe it would be like a pea balloon. No clue why I thought that. Okay, so, let's hopefully get back up. I never get it. Oh my. Why does it keep, like, just... Okay. So, that's a start. If I actually made it up to it, that would be a start. I didn't get a start yet. Oh my, I never thought about that. I could swim underneath, thanks Toadette for the... Oh wait, never mind, because of the ground. So, let me have a look at that. So, let me... So, I just thought about something. What if we, like, done a jump like that? Oh my gosh, that could help us out a lot. Like, as in a lot. So, well, let's exit this first. Now instead I'll try making one. As you can see, that's one, but we don't want to do that. Let's try you and round. And let's just try enemies. So now I will be stacking a load of enemies on enemies on enemies. I'll be stacking as many enemies on enemies as possible. And that's a lot of stacking enemies on enemies. So let me try it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, they do not stack. Wait, look at those Koopas! What? Like, what are those Koopas doing? Those Koopas are like weird Koopas. And they act like there's Koopas there. They were dying. So that's good. Let me try just putting a pipe here with like this. I want a pipe with this. And now I'll just do now let me just do this thing, and well, I'll be doing this. Or once you're finished dealing with these enemies, which these... Oh wait, there's a Goomba stuck in the thing. Well, that's a way to make a 1-up level. Now if we press D, we die. What? I think I done a frame perfect trick. Like, you need to, like, that's frame perfect to get the jump out of the pipe. So like, how did I get that first try? On accident I got it as well. Like, I can't get it again. Somehow I got that trick, that frame perfect trick on accident. So let me see.
Seriously?
I'm jumping very high. Oh, well, now I'm not